Maraming salamat at dumating ka sa buhay ko. Before, I was a boy na walang pangarap. Kung ano lang darating at mangyayari, wala na akong pakialam. Sabi nga ng mga ibang groom sa bride nila, you give my life direction. Madami na nagsabi, pero totoo pala talaga. Thank you dahil hindi mo ako sinukuan sa mga kalokohan ko, disappointments na binigay ko. Nagstay ka pa rin sa akin. Sobrang na-appreciate ko lahat ng pagtitiis mo sa akin. I have failed you as a partner, but you chose to stay with me. I have failed you not once, not twice, but many times. Yet you still chose to stay with me.
Hi, B! Finally. Parang dati lang kinukulit mo kung sagutin ka. Ito na nga. Way back 2015, I met you. I didn't know you'll be the person I'll be standing with in the altar. Thanks to Ate Roseanne for bringing Dawn into my life. Who would have thought, as I was eyeing for a slim man, but what I've got is a person who's big, as his heart. As I have known you for 2 years since I met you, I saw all the goodnesses inside you until I felt, gusto ko na to. Parang mahal ko na to. Nagpakipot pa ako, bibigay din pala. Sino ba namang hindi may in love sa taong very consistent, kahit binasted na nung una, tinarayan, but still there for me.
I would like you to put in the right track as you start and begin your journey as husband and wife by first and foremost acknowledging, take note, acknowledging the imperfection of the person whom you wanted to spend the rest of your lives.
Ito na, B, kasal na tayo. Wala nang bawian, wala nang solian ng singsing. Wala nang uuwi pag nagagalit. Lagi na tayong magkasama. Lagi na tayong magkasama, haharap sa lahat ng problema. I will promise to hold your hand every time you face challenges. Today, tomorrow, and always. I am yours with all my heart and soul. I love you so much. Let's do this!
Uy, kasama po ba to?
Ay, hindi, huwag na lang.
I-describe ko lang for message sa kanya. Si Bel, syempre, number 1, matasahin.
Habaan mo yung pasensya sa pinsan.
Sarap-sarap magkaroon ng asawa at mga anak. So, sana mag-baby na agad sila ng more baby.
Ano message niya kay Harry?
Congratulations, Harry and Dawn. Best wishes. Welcome to marriage life. Sana magka-baby na sila. Agad-agad. Sana kasing puti mo doon.
Tingin mo sino iiyak sa inyo dalawa mamaya?
Siyempre si Dog. Iyakin yun eh. Cry baby.
Hello.
Mabuhay!
Pogi.
I am formally presenting to you our newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Don and Harry Chris of Valencia, Pataksil.
Ganda ko ba? Marvy!
for the past 7 years. Can you share to us, ano naman yung pinaka ayaw mong pag-uugali niyan?
Mataray po eh.
Mataray.
And I will lessen my katarayan para less away din.
Hi! Hari, sana masarap yung pagkain mamaya. Chares! Mamaya makikita niyo.
Di ba? Meron kayong kakulangan. No? You're imperfect. Pero alam ninyo na yung love na yan, na nagbabayin sa inyong dalawa, yan yung magpupuno ng kakulangan nyo sa isa't isa.
Thank you for not giving up on me, Don. I know Papa will be the proudest father kasi ikaw yung mapapangasawa ko. Someone just like him. Very down to earth, will put the family first before anyone else. Generous, thoughtful, super caring, and most of all, respectful.
My love for you grows stronger when we are apart. My love for you grows stronger when we are apart. So set me apart.
Dahil wala nang papa niya, 15 years. So, yung habilin niya sa akin, huwag kong pababayaan.
Pa, alam ko happy ka. Sobra. Kasi, alam kong di kita binigo. Hindi ako nag-asawa ng maaga. Nagantay ako ng right time. And alam kong mag-aasawa ako ng tamang tao, katulad mo. Alam ko, sobrang saya mo dyan. And alam ko nandito ka lang. Pini-witness yung isa sa pinakamasayang araw ko. Ito ka lang, pa. I love you and I miss you so much.
I still remember when we are in our courting stage. I did ask you if what would be your goal if ever you'll get my yes as your girl.
Yeah.
Sobrang bilis ng sagot mo. Ano sinabi mo?
Marry you.
And ang sinabi mo was to marry you.
It's hard to let you go chasing your dreams.
And look where we are now. You kept your promise. You kept your words.
Thank you, ba? Sa lahat. Thank you for everything. For not giving up with me. Love na love ko kayo dalawa. Kahit ano mangyari.
From this moment, I already told you na hindi niyo pinakasalan yung perfect person. No? Kaya nga, expect the unexpected during your journey as husband and wife.
My life wouldn't be this happy if it's not with you. Di ko alam if magpapakasal pa ako sa sobrang daming naghihiwalay after marriage. I felt that it's you, the one who I want to spend my whole life with.
Salamat kasi tinanggap niyo si Don. Minahal niyo si Don. Kaya hindi naging mahirap yung relasyon namin dahil buong puso niyo tinanggap si Don.
Hindi kayo perfect, pero alam niyo na despite of your imperfection, yung love that you have, yun ang mag-fill up ng kakulangan nyo sa isa't isa. You have to embrace the totality of the person, not only the positive one, but even the negative ones.
Thank you for making me this happy. I promise that I'll do my best as your wife para hindi ka magsisi. We'll start on learning how to cook because you love eating. I promise to love you and will take care of you till we get old.
But do not be afraid, no? To embrace the totality of the person. Bakit? Because of your love for one another. You have to understand what love is all about. Love is sacrifice. Love is the willingness of the person to offer himself or herself for the sake of his or her beloved.
I promise to love you and will take care of you till we get old. I entrust you my whole life because I know you'll be the best husband and father to our future kids. I love you, B. Finally, we're married.